This neutralizer and conditioner from Diversey dissolves quickly in water, so it is easy to mix the right strength for everyday floor care or tougher cleanup jobs. It does an excellent job clearing away alkaline residue from floor strippers and winter salt, which helps floors keep a clearer, brighter appearance over time. By conditioning the surface before sealing, it promotes better adhesion of floor finishes and can extend the life of the shine between maintenance cycles. The formula is also very effective at tackling stubborn urine and restroom odors on floors, walls, and carpets, leaving spaces noticeably fresher without heavy fragrances. Because the product comes in lightweight powdered packets stored in a compact tub, it is far easier to carry, store, and handle than bulky liquid containers, with no risk of messy spills. Color-coded labeling and clear bilingual directions on the tub make it straightforward for staff to identify and use correctly in busy commercial or institutional settings.